Good evening, dear students. We are learning about Digital Documentation Advanced, which is the first unit of Part B of Information Technology, Code 402. Under the digital documentation, today we will complete the last video, that is how to update document through template and how to make changes in existing template in Word document. So how to update document to template, this thing I will tell you through OpenOffice Writer. So first of all, I am going to open OpenOffice Writer. It is already minimized. This is OpenOffice Writer. Now I am telling you that how to open any existing template. I am going to File menu and then I am clicking on New and then Templates and Document. When I click on Templates and Document, I will find Template and Documents window, or you can call it dialog box also. Click on Organize button. In the Organize button, you will find My Templates. Here you can see that two templates are available. One is registration form and second is template one. I'm going to open registration form. This is a predefined template. So I'm clicking on registration form. It is not coming from there. So just click on templates, click on My Templates. That will be open. Now registration form template is open in the form of Untitled 2. Okay. Now whatever changes you want to make in this registration form, like you want to fill the particular registration form, like I'm going to fill it with Renu Tithani name. Here I will fill my father name. I'm filling ... and here I will fill gender and then address. Okay, I have made changes and now I am going to save this file in the form of document. I am clicking on File, then click on New, click on Save, and then simply I will give the name My Document or My Doc. It will save in the form of ODT. It means document format. It is saved. It will save on the desktop. Now what will you do? You will open that template again and close this document. To close this document, I will click on File menu and then I'll click on Close button. When I click on Close button or Close option, that document will be closed. Now I will click on File menu. I will go to the New and then last option is Templates and Documents. Again I will open that registration form, but not from there. I will go to the Organize button. I will click on My Template, click on Registration Form, click on Commands and click on Edit because I want to edit it. Here you can see Untitled file is not open. Registration Form OTTD, it means template is open. Now whatever changes you want to make in the particular template, you can make change. Like I want to make it bold. I want to change the font type. And here I want to decrease the size. After making changes, go to the File menu and click on Save option, not Save As. Okay. Now you have made changes in the particular template. You have edited the template. Now what will you do? You will close it, go to the File menu and click on Close option. The template is closed. Now open open that document using open option. My file is saved on desktop, that's why I will click on desktop. My file name was my doc. Okay, now click on open button. When you click on open button, you will find this message: the template registration form on which this document is based has been modified. So on the base of template, the document will also be modified. Do you want to update the style? Only style and formatting will be changed. Okay, file style based formatting according to the modified templates. So if you click on the updated style, the styles will be updated. Otherwise, if you don't want to update it according to the particular updated template, so just click on keep old style. So it's depend on you. If you want to update it, click on update style. So by this method you can update the document using the particular template. Now the next topic is how to make changes in existing template in Word document. It's very simple. This thing I will tell you in Microsoft Word. For that I am going to open Microsoft Word. I have already minimized it. Okay, now I am going to open any template, any existing template. Then I will make the changes in the template. I will not click on new option. I will open it using the open option. So first of all, I will click on office button and then open option. When I click on open option, then I will go to the particular location where my template is available. Click on desktop and then click on desktop files. Okay, some templates are available here, like letter template. Click on open button. Now that template will be open here. This is not a document, this is a template. Now whatever changes you want to make here, you can make changes, like you want to put date and you want to put the particular recipient name. Make changes, address, and any other changes if you want to make here, like title. So you can put the particular title, and if you want to increase the size, you can increase the size also. So likewise you can make the changes, and then what you have to do, you have to simply click on the office button and click on save option. So these changes you have made in template, not in the document. So this is for today. In the next class we will learn about the spreadsheet. It means unit 2. Thank you and have a nice day.